Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Just a quick and brief moment here to say thank you very, very much for all your support. We're at 7.5 million views now, about 59,000 subscribers, and we're getting real close to 700 videos. I think I have almost 800 total in the cache, and personally I'd like to get to 1,000. That would be a good goal. So I don't know why I think like that, but that would be a good goal. And then obviously 10 million views. That's always been a goal of mine, to produce something that, that many people would be interested in seeing. So a little personal aside there, but just a quick note here. Thank you so much for everything and all your responses. And I can kind of tell by the phone calls that we're getting through. We're starting to make some headway. People are starting to change their belief systems a little bit and focus more on, the quality level of sound and not the quantity. So hopefully that'll help. So thanks again. Appreciate all your support. Have a good day.